This is Julian from J. Lewis Trading. I'm just going to post this quick video for YouTube, and I will be doing a more in-depth, full covered video lesson on this in the members area. But here for YouTube, this is what I traded today, RAD, R-A-D. This is a stock that got beat up. Well, it has been beaten up for quite some time. These are the stocks that I'm constantly looking for. And today I got a pre-market setup, so I was looking at this thing. Price action came off quite a bit. It was a percentage loser on my list. So, and it was the top loser on my list. So what I did was I followed it right out of the gate, and was paying attention to this support level of 302. And just a very, very simple trade I put on was I thought, if that pre-market support is taken out, this thing could potentially run lower, and so I just put a buy order in to grab some shares short at 302, or I guess a sell order. And essentially what happened was 302 was taken out right out of the gate. I was just going to read my ledger here, but I was actually in at 301, pardon me, and I was in at 9:33 a.m. So 3 minutes into the market, this thing gets triggered. I got into this trade short, and I had a stop loss of 311, a little bit high. I placed it right up here over the 20-day period. Excuse me, on the 1 minute chart. This is the 2 minute. But essentially, what I was doing was I was looking for support to get taken out on some volume, and hopefully that the speed on the trade picked up, and I was able to short this thing. And essentially, what happened was, right out of the gate at 302, it dropped down and popped back up, hit that 50 period. I wasn't stopped out here because, again, my stop was at 311, and that was above the 50 period on the 1 minute chart. And it came back down pretty quickly, and then it hit a $2.88 mark, which I had as a target. And so I actually... I'm just reading my my list here, but I adjusted my stop to 291 as it was moving to the downside. I had a 288 target, and I actually covered at 289 for a what is that, 10 cent move to the downside. And then you can see that it rallied up through here. I was still watching it. I was obviously out of the position I had covered. And then as soon as I got sort of this general setup right through here where price action came back below that 50 period and was using the VWAP as support, I got this moving average, this MACD crossover, and I got into another position. I used 88 cents, 288 as a target again, and you can see that that got hit over here at 290, and I got filled there again. And then I took a third trade on this, and the trigger point was 288, which was that support area, that pivot area that was set back here. And you can see that it got taken out. The market's still open. I am done for the day, but I did want to put this this quick YouTube video together just to give you some insight as to how I was moving in and out of this trade. So I actually put on 3 separate positions today, and I was just trading the quick breakdown of support. They were all short positions. This was my third trade where I had 288 as a trigger to get into this short again. It was shorted from 288 with a stop loss of 293, and my target on that one was actually 70. My target was actually 69 cents, and the reason why, because that was a resistance level that got broken out in 2013. Because if you look at this stock, it's sort of had this wicked downdraft, but this wicked crescendo up here through 2014 and 15. And the next closest area that I could find as a target was back through here at 269. So I actually set that as my target, but what ended up happening was it wasn't going there. I mean, it was about 10 cents away, and there was a bit of a short-term 1 minute reversal. So I let go of the position at 76 cents, as in $2.76. Another intraday play covered. Again, 3 positions. I made 10 cents on the first rip, 8 cents on the second rip, and 12 cents on the third rip. And I was doing that all on in between 3,000 and 5,000 shares per position. So that's what we did today. I had 3 positions, all winners. And look to the members area if you're a member. And I will go into great detail as to how I put this this trade on. And that's that. So I hope this helps a little bit. That is RAD. That's what I was trading today short. That's what came up on the market top losers list. And that's how I traded this to the downside. If you have any questions, feel free to email me directly at info@jlewistrading.com. Thanks.